Top of the morning to you. My name is Hannah and welcome to my YouTube video. In honor of St. Patrick's Day, today I created a look inspired by the holiday and the country of Ireland. This look was interesting because it allowed me to utilize colors that I normally wouldn't even touch. So whether you're off to St. Patrick's Day party or you're just having a beer on your own, this look should help you get into the holiday spirit. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So today we're going right into the eyes. I'm going to start off with priming my eyes with my unique eye primer. Then we're going in with an emerald green and we're packing it into our crease. Then we're taking a lighter true green and blending it just above that emerald color. Finally, we're taking a pale lime green shade and blending that just above the brow bone. Then taking a glittery pigmented gold, I'm going to sweep this all the way around the rest of my lid. Now for lining underneath the eyes, we're going to be taking a burnt terracotta or sienna orange and lining underneath the eyes. If that orange is too intense, feel free to blend it out with darker browns. After that, taking a fluffy blending brush and blending it all into smoothness. Then we're going to go in with a brown gel, cream, or pencil eyeliner and applying that all the way around the eyes and smoking it out for a soft, intense look. Here we're just going in with some black coal eyeliner very softly to add a more intense look and then smudging it out with a small detailed brush. Then we're going to do lashes, mascara, and be right back. And I am back, now complete with lashes, so let's move on. So now is the time in the tutorial where you would do your foundation, concealer, and setting process. For me personally, I don't like the feeling of foundation, so I'm going to skip over that. Instead, I color correct and conceal my problem areas. If you would like to see how I do that, you can watch my other video where I show the full process. In the meantime, I've just applied a layer of green, then purple, then a combination of the yellow and the peach all over my jawline and my nose area where I need to color correct. So with that complete, we are moving on to the next step. So I'm not using a blush today, but if you would prefer a blush, I would recommend going with an orange or peach tone blush. But I am going to go in with a little bit of light bronzer to add some color to my face. Now bronzing in these areas also conveniently help cover any weird color correcting spots that I may have missed in the process. So if there's any residue green or purple undertones, this bronzer should cover that up. Now I'm going to go in with some highlight, going back into that same BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight Palette. This time, I think we're going to be using a combination of the Laser Green and the Strobe White. Just to note that this palette is incredibly blinding, and although this tutorial I use dim lights and a very light hand, trust me, you can see this palette from space. So now we're going to do something just a little bit different. I'm going to attempt to carve out a little shamrock underneath my eye using skin-safe watercolor paint. This process was actually quite simple. I used a small precision eyeliner brush and I alternated as a stamp, dipping in between the green watercolor paint and then mattifying it with a green eyeshadow. Off camera, I lined the clover in a thin black liquid liner, and after that, I dipped into gold eyeshadow and gilded the leaves. Finally, for the lips, I'm going to do a bit of an unconventional brown nude on myself, and then I'm going to top it with a shiny golden gloss in the spirit of the leprechauns. And that's it for the lipstick. If you prefer the look like this, then you can be completely finished as of right now. I'm gonna top it off with a gloss, and then we're gonna see the final product. And there you have the gloss on top of everything else. As an added little bonus, I'm gonna go in with this 24 karat gold body oil and apply it to my neck and chest area, and add a little bit of highlight on top just for photos. And with that, the look is complete. Thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. Have an amazing St. Patrick's Day, no matter what you do. Be safe, have fun, and enjoy yourselves. Bye.